Welcome back. We're going to set up our brand new DuroMax Beast generator. Bought it off of Amazon. It's 12,000 watt peak, 9,500 running watts. Runs on gas, propane. So bought this as our backup for our house when the hurricanes come next time. So here we go. So it comes with your wheel kit, your handles, propane hose for a standard barbecue bottle. 230 amp plugs here in case you want to make your own cords and all the hardware. 12 volt in case you want an alligator clamp to something. Toolkit, tools. Got a little funnel for, I'm guessing, putting oil in. Okay. We'll put the handles on while he's doing that. Okay. There it is. Little note. Shipped with that oil. It's supposed to be a 30 weight oil, which I don't have. So I have to go get some. And then we'll put it in, take it out and start it up and show you it. But you see you've got a 50 amp, 240 volt, 30 amp, 240 volt, 120 volt, 30 amp, 220 amp, 120 volt. Like I said, this is the rest of the stuff that was with it. Your tools. Hook up alligator clip to something. Your 30 amp 240, or sorry, yep, which is your 30 amp 120. It's got a 30 amp 240, one little standard plug, 110 volt, propane hose, your funnel for putting oil in. So we get some oil in it and we'll show you how it runs. It takes about 1¼ quarts, or it says right here on the front actually 1.1 liters, 37 ounces. Alright, let's put some fuel in this and we'll fire it up. Guys, I only buy ethanol free fuel for small engines and anything that's going to set. Even on the cap it says max at 10% ethanol. Just don't do it. You're better off spend a little extra, get ethanol free so it can, or a treatment so you don't end up absorbing water and causing issues in the carb. And alrighty, let's fire this thing up, see what it sounds like. Turn the fuel on. Fuel's on. That's it for a second. Choke is, turn the choke on. As if you're curious, that is the propane regulator. Got a little purge valve here too, so you can hook up your propane bottle. I don't have a propane bottle hooked to it right now, but I'll try to get one and show you that sometime. Alright, there's an idle control, a main circuit breaker. I'm going to shut that off for fun. I don't really need that on right now. You can see I've got your, these are all circuit breakers. That's a little loose. All these circuit breakers are off. This is where you can switch from 120 to 240. Another circuit breaker down here for your DC, but let's just start it up. Alright guys, it says 72 decibels. You can see right here, I'm getting about 89 to 90 decibel. I'm, you know, what, about 5 foot from it. So it's not terrible. We'll back up here. And you typically have that thing away from your house. There you go. It's about 86. Come to the exhaust side, you get about 93, so about 5 foot. All right, there it was. First startup. You can see that thing started pretty dang good. You can see here on the panel, you got an oil alert lamp, recharge indicator, like I said, your idle control, circuit breaker, voltmeter, your switch for 120 or 120 240, so depending on what circuit you want to run, and just all your circuit breakers for individual plugs. Guys, we'll get a propane bottle hooked up to it and run that for you as well, just so you can see how it runs on that. But overall, pretty impressed, guys. This is a really good price on one for this kind of amperage. It's not as quiet as like the Hondas, but obviously this thing's a lot cheaper than a Honda. Had good reviews, so we'll give you some more videos here as we get this thing hooked up. As always, enjoy. Wheels on the generator go round and round, round and round.